Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing the Bitcoin price action, where we are right now creating a new pattern that could be suggesting the next major Bitcoin move we are about to get creating here in the coming 24 hours here. As well, I will be going over the Bitcoin 1 hourly chart, where we have been still getting rejected by this previous level of resistance, of support, and right now of course it's still providing us resistance along the way down over here. I will be as well go over the 4 hourly candles that is right now showing us a lot of strength. And the 4 hourly candles right now are forming several bullish divergence, and I will be discussing, of course, what we could be expecting after seeing this important divergence playing out over here. And of course, I'm going to go over the daily time frame, where I will be talking about why I will be accumulating my position around this level and why I will be remaining patient with accumulating my massive swing trade position. So guys, if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up the like button. Of course, the more people that are going to smash up the like button right now here, the more viral these kind of videos are going to go here. And of course, the more viral these cryptocurrency videos are going, the more people will be getting exposed to it. So it will be highly appreciated if you're going to take a few seconds of your time to smash up the like button. And with that out of the way, let me start off with discussing the imminent short term for Bitcoin. So like you can see, if I'm going to remove these wrongs over here, is that Bitcoin, of course, has been, of course, failing to hold on towards our support level of the 45.1k once again. So you can clearly see over here, previous very strong support, previous support, acted as resistance, acted as support, of course, once we were breaking through it once again. And right now we're trading once again below it. So this is usually a more bearish indicator that we could be maybe seeing this 43.9k getting reached once again here. So yeah, it looks pretty interesting. But if I'm going to then enable these trend lines, it looks to be that we're currently trading in a descending broadening wedge here. And this is, of course, a very typical reversal pattern. And you can see over here, resistance, resistance, resistance. So we got a lot of touch points right now, approximately 4 touch points right now on the 1 hourly candles. And of course, as soon as we're going to break through this level, I do expect that Bitcoin is going to show us a lot of strength and move up towards the price target of the 46.9k here. So I only will be anticipating this level here, the 46.9k, if we're going to be able to break the resistance line here on the top side. And if we're not going to be able to, yeah, we will be, of course, looking at lower targets. But yeah, like you can see right now in front of your screen, a descending broadening wedge here is a very typical, bullish bias pattern. After a retracement, you see these patterns getting created here, and they almost always tend to break out towards the upside. So yeah, I will be remain a little bit calm here. I will be definitely wait for, of course, a breakout, and this could be for sure a very strong trading opportunity depending on where we are going to break out. It's going to be at least be a 4% move that you could be catching here, and that is, of course, a quite significant one for sure. Of course, right now as well, we want to be looking at the different momentum indicators and want to be still pay attention towards this downward slope resistance line, because yeah, you can clearly still see on Bitcoin we have been forming downward slope resistance line, of course, flipped into support while we were breaking through it. Then we break below it once again, and it is providing us resistance once again here. So yeah, definitely important to pay your attention towards. It could be maybe form an inverse head and shoulders on the 15-minute time frame maybe, or it could be, of course, see another rejection from there on or from here on already. So make sure that you're going to keep your attention on this. Of course, guys, I will be keeping you guys up to date if we're seeing a new trading opportunity here on my Twitter page. You can find my Twitter page, first of all, in the link in the description. And you could be, of course, right now follow me if you don't want to be going to the link in the description. Just on Twitter, just search me up at BrokerCRC. It's definitely very easy to find me. And you will be staying up to date about all the market developments, of course. So yesterday, we already warned you guys that we were trading against very critical resistance, and like you can see on this chart, we got clearly rejected by this level over here. Of course, I was doing this tweet over here, and we saw a clear rejection from that point here. So yeah, very interesting moment right now seeing here, and I will be looking at this pattern right now here on how it's going to evolve in the coming days and coming hours, of course. So and we're looking to the momentum indicators right now here. We were not creating a bullish divergence yesterday here on the 1 hourly candles. But if we're going to look at the momentum indicators on the 4 hourly candles, yes, we are seeing several divergences getting played out right now here. We are seeing on the 4 hourly candles, we are forming a lower low in the price action, higher low here on the RSI, higher low here on the MACD. Of course, 2 different momentum indicators right now indicating a reversal. But I have been already saying this to you guys. As soon as we're going to start to decrease for Bitcoin, we're going to create a lot of divergence. But what I do want to be seeing, basically, is a higher low getting formed here, because right now we just formed another lower low here on the 4-hourly candle. So yes, even though we are forming a divergence, we could be of course seeing a trend reverse from here on. I don't think it's going to be act so strong here. Yes, I personally do expect that we could be seeing some buying pressure getting entered, but for sure it's going to be also likely that we are maybe even going to first dip even further towards the downside before really showing the strength of this divergence. So I will be not trading long right now here. I still have been saying it to you guys out there. I will be starting to accumulate my position on the 42.6k here. I will be waiting ever so slightly. Yes, it looks to be a very strong opportunity, but still, I think the market could be seeing a lot of sell pressure over here. So I will be remain a little bit calm here. Yes, it's for sure a good opportunity, but I will be staying on the sideline still. I will be getting the best opportunity. So yeah, if you want to be joining me with the swing trade position, make sure to sign up with BYBIT and link in the description, guys, because if you're going to sign up right now with BYBIT in the link in the description, you will be getting a $3,000 deposit bonus, and you could be joining me with this massive swing trade position that we're going to take. And we are going to, of course, be completely transparent on the trade here, and you could be literally joining me because you want to be accumulate these long positions for the longer term. If we're sitting low, right? Once everyone is in fear, once everyone thinks the market is about to crash, you want to be accumulating your long position, so you could be catching this big swing towards the upside, because that is at least my strategy. I do think we could be moving down ever so slightly and then start to move up very quickly. So make sure that you're going to keep your attention towards it. I will be remaining to keep on these levels, and of course, I'm purely basing these levels on the daily time frame, but that is of course a thing that we'll be going over into a second. So Bitcoin as well, still holding on towards this important horizontal level support. You can see here previously major resistance, right now providing very strong support. As soon as we're going to see 4-hourly candle close below this level of support, I will be of course get extremely careful, because this could be resulting in the Bitcoin market on the 4-hourly candles to move even down further. And of course, I definitely want to be keeping my eyes on out on that one. I will be for sure pay attention towards the divergence. Definitely the bullish divergence is right now playing out here. We could be opening a very strong long position right now already over here. But personally, I will be waiting, because I personally do think there is going to be a little bit more of a swing towards the downside, because yeah, we are right now clearly in a downtrend. And for me on this reversal signal is not strong enough to open a massive long position right now here. So definitely very important to keep your eyes on for sure. So yeah, if I'm going to look at my long position, why I am accumulating the 42k range here is basically this is the golden pocket entry here for the Bitcoin daily chart. The golden pocket entry is a support level that you want to be seeing getting touched here before moving up. Golden pocket is one of the strongest accumulation zones for Bitcoin. If you're looking to the Fibonacci chart, of course, swing high towards swing low, and then if you're going to see a retracement back towards the golden pocket, is going to be a very strong entry price, and that's the reason why I will be starting to accumulate my position over there. And if we're going to fail to hold the 0.382 here, I do think the 37k is going to be imminent, but like I of course already have said to you guys several times here, if we're really going to go towards this target, I will be even accumulate more on my swing trade position. So I'm even going to build up a bigger position over there. So yeah, definitely make sure to check it out here. It's definitely going to be extremely valuable. Yeah, to keep your eyes out here on the Twitter page, because there we will be keeping you guys up to date as well about our trades here. So it was a very short update video, because not a lot of interesting things right now playing out here. Of course, the descending broadening wedge, for sure, make sure to pay your attention towards this one. As well, this resistance line on top side still has to be broken in order for Bitcoin to continue its trend up here. So guys, later today, I will be dropping out another video about Cardano and Ethereum. After that, I will be trying to do another live stream today. But this is already it for today's update video on Bitcoin. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.